that little area of pressure. There's the one there's the one that gave all these strong winds today, almost up to 100 miles an hour, as you probably heard earlier on in the news. Swirl of cloud out on the continent. What's of interest to us is that particular lump of cloud. It's got darker and darker as the days wore on, and that's shown us that there is certainly a nasty area of low pressure lurking out there and heading in towards us. So we are going to find those winds again freshening up during the course of the night. The strongest winds probably across Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, northern parts of England and Wales, but I don't think they're going to be far off gale force in many other parts of the country, especially around coasts and hills. Now already on the radar there's quite a few sort of showery bursts of rain scattered around and across Scotland. Some of that rain is turning to sleet and over the hills snow. And during the course of the night we're going to find a band of rain rushing its way through most parts. Again, the rain heaviest over Northern Ireland, southern Scotland, northern parts of England and Wales, and it'll be turning to snow over the hills. But I think by the end of the night it should be out of the way and having been replaced by clearer weather, although there'll be showers packing into those northwestern parts by the end of the night, and still, as you see, pretty windy. At least the winds should hold the temperatures above freezing, just an outside chance of a touch of frost in the more sheltered spots in the northeast of Scotland. By tomorrow that low should be moving on out of the way into the North Sea. Some outbreaks of rain in eastern parts first thing. That'll go, and then it'll be a bright day virtually everywhere with some sunshine, still very windy. Fair number of showers around, most of them in the west, heaviest in the northwest, where some could well be turning wintry, and there'll be hail, perhaps even a clap or two of thunder. Now those temperatures actually aren't far off normal, but I think with that wind it'll feel quite cold. Certainly a cold day to come on Saturday, frost around to begin with, and then sunshine and showers. Many more of those showers fairly wintry, giving I think quite a bit of snow over those Scottish hills. And then we have a big problem I think for Sunday, because we're going to have another area of low pressure moving in across the country. It will bring wet and windy weather to southern areas. It will continue to give wintry showers in the north, but in between there could well be some sleet or snow, especially on the hills.